Hi guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever back to school supplies haul. I have never done one of these in the past. Some of you guys might be a little bit confused because I am 19, I have finished high school, but I am going to university this year. I am going to be studying film at a film school here in New Zealand, and I am very excited, and I just went yesterday and bought all of my supplies for the year, and so I thought I would do just a little supply haul and show you guys what I'm going to be using for the year and what sort of things I prefer to use and all of that. So all of my supplies except for one thing I got from Office Max. That is a really big stationery shop here in New Zealand. I don't know if it's international or not, but it's just a shop that has stationery. I'm sure you can find very similar things, if not the exact same stuff, wherever you're from. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is my planner for the year. If you guys watched my previous Vlogmas, you would have seen my planner appear a few times. This is a planner I got from Whitcoulls, which is like a bookstore here in New Zealand. So there's literally no branding or like name labels or anything on it, so I don't know who made this or like what brand it is, but yeah, so this is the planner I'm going to be using this year. It's an 18-month planner, so it actually started at the end of August of 2017 and it's going to go all the way through to December 2018. And so a reason I got this one is because that way I could start using a planner like last year, which I did like during Vlogmas and stuff, just to help organize my life. But yeah, so like I'll just show you some of I like color and stickers and all of that stuff, so like I'll just like flip through some of my planner pages from last year. Where we're up to currently. This is today that I'm filming this, and so I've kind of put through like all of my friends' birthdays throughout the entire year and stuff, and I've color coded every month. And then I have these little these were just like page things, and I just stuck like hedgehog stickers onto them so that they looked cute, and it just marks like the first day of term, the last day of term 1, first day of term 2, last day of term 2, just kind of like all my different times when I'm starting and finishing school for the year. And so yeah, that is my planner. As you can see, however, it is quite small on where you write things, so I've got some things which I will explain through how I use them, which will help create more space for me to write down assignments and other things that I need to write quite a bit of information for. Okay, so now into my big bag. First of all, I just got some clear self-adhesive covering paper. This stuff I bought pretty much every single year in high school, and I like decorating my books to make them unique, so I'll use like photos, or I'll use stickers, or I'll do little doodles on paper and like cut them out and collage them onto my book. Yeah, I've done that every year and I really love doing that, so this is what I'm going to be using this for. You just cover the books with this clear stuff over the top and it just seals in whatever you designed. It also helps the books last longer throughout the year. I nearly hit my nose. Next, I hate these things. Like, you're probably like, then why did you buy one? And I'm like, I always end up needing them, but it's just like a bright yellow clear file. I just don't like how like flimsy they are. But yeah, so it's just got like all of these little clear file sheet things, and it's like 20 pockets, and this is where I'm going to put my important documents that I don't want to lose. Next, to help me keep organized, I just have this weekly planner that has every day of the week, and I really like these. Even though I have a diary, I like being able to write to-do lists and things, or like certain things to remember to do just for myself personally that don't need to be put in my planner. My planner is more for like when homework's due, or this would be for when I do homework, or like I might do a certain part of that assignment each day and break it down, and it's just a place I can like fully go into detail on what I need to do. And so this is what I'm going to keep on my desk at home and use when I'm doing homework and study and stuff like that. So yeah, and it comes with a little pen as well. Okay, now onto the school books I bought. I just got 2 little notebooks to write down random things. This one's very small, so it's one I got for like inspiration, like movie inspiration or like ideas, and also one I can just carry around with me in my handbag. So if I think of like, say if I'm watching a movie and I really like the way that it's filmed or something, or I want to take note of like the soundtrack they used, or like how they created a feeling for the audience and what impact that had on the audience and whatever. I like to be able to have something small and handy and flimsical that I can just fit in my handbag and just rip out, like take out and just take notes in whenever I get inspirations. It's kind of like my film inspirational journal, and it's like, it looks like wood, it's quite cool, and then it's just like lined paper. This one here is just going to be my rough notes book. I love writing notes. I don't like using computers to write notes. I know I'm so old school. I honestly think I learn so much better when I'm handwriting things. So yeah, this is just a little AB8B4. It's just a little 8B4 exercise book, which is just like a nice little one that I can rip pages out of and stuff as well. So I'm going to use this for like planning essays and things like that as well. I can also use this for writing essays because I can just like rip the pages out and then like staple them together and stuff. But yeah, so I got this one, and then I got two hardcover books. The two different sizes. I don't know why I got two different sizes. I feel like I probably will use this one, the smaller one, but this one's 2B5 and this one's 2B8. And yeah, they're just normal exercise books, and they're hardcover, which I prefer because then they don't get as wrecked in your bag. Think of what the world could be, the vision of the one I see. I really messed up on this point, and I'm really kind of pissed off at myself about it. These are my favourite pens to use to write. Hello? Okay, so they're my favourite pens in the whole wide world. They're the Bic Click Extra Precise Fine Writing pens. So like the very skinny Bic pens, and they're red. I was meant to get blue, but I got red. I never use red pens. I mean, like, I guess now I'll have to try and find a use for these because I've got like 10 of them now. But yeah, so I have to go pick up some blue ones of these as well. So annoyed. And then I got some highlighters. I like these highlighters because they're nice and slim, unlike the really big, thick, chunky ones, so they fit into pencil cases really well. And these are just Office Max, like pocket style highlighters. And I've got two yellows, a pink, an orange, a blue, and a green. And yeah, I like colour. I like highlighting things a lot, so that's why I got those. I also got some paper clips. Not really sure why I got paper clips, but I got 100 of them now. And I don't really know what I'm going to use them for, but I mean, like, they could come in handy. I could end up like needing them, so got them. And then I got a 16GB flash drive because I have lost every other flash drive I've ever owned. And so yeah, this is just gonna be like super good for being able to like transfer like projects between other students and teachers and things like that. So I feel like it's always handy to have a flash drive with you. And then the last three things I'm really excited about. So I got two different types of post-it notes. I absolutely love these, and this is what I was talking about before when I mentioned something to make more room in my diary. So basically, whenever I get an assignment or anything, depending on how much I have to write, I'll write it out on one of these, and then I will like stick it on the day that I got the assignment. So like, say I got an assignment today on this day, which was, this is today, I would like stick it on top, and then once I finish the assignment, I'll just rip it off and throw it away. And I think that'd just be a really easy way of like organizing things. And so yeah, I got all these pretty colors here, and then I got some smaller ones as well in 3 different colors. So it just really depends on like what size I prefer to use, how much I have to write down, what looks nicer. That's what my planner is about. And then I also got these off of my books so that I can like section off different like projects I do, I guess, or like different topics, whether we're studying like different types of movies. I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing exactly in film school, so I kind of just got as many things as I could that could help me prepare for it. So yeah, these are just little post-it notes that you like put, kind of like these, but without hedgehogs on them. So that's everything I have bought for school this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are starting school very, very soon, or university, if you're from the southern hemisphere, if you guys are all starting school soon, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down below what is your like most important stationery item to have with you, whether that be just like a pen, or if you're like me and you like things that have color and stuff. And yeah, also I'm thinking about doing a plan with me series where once a month I'll upload like a plan with me and show you guys like my weekly plan and things like that, and like what assignments I have to do, and just plan out my entire week and stuff. So if you guys would like to see those videos, then let me know it down below, because I love watching them, and my planner is a bit different than like the Erin Condren planner that pretty much everyone seems to have. I had that planner last year, but I didn't actually like it, so I got a different planner for this year. But I still do use a lot of very similar stickers and things like that. If you guys watch Vlogmas, you'd know. But yeah, if you want to see some plan with me videos, then let me know it down below. Smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.